is up, everybody? NCmotoRIDER here, and I want to show you how to use the Atlas throttle lock. If you follow my channel, I did put up a video a while back on what I thought about the Atlas throttle lock after using it on a couple of long rides, and I've had it for even longer now, and I still love it. It's awesome. And in the last video I did kind of tell you how it worked, but I wanted to do another video and show you how to actually use it. Basically all you do is get the throttle where you want it and hit the bottom lever, and it locks it in place. Now, since it's not electronic, it doesn't, accommodate for going downhill or going uphill. Like I just now started downhill, and it's going to stay locked where I put it, so naturally going down here hill is going to speed up. Now, if it's already locked and you start going uphill, of course the bike's going to slow down. And the one thing I really like about this is you literally can lock it, but then adjust it as you need to, and it will stay. Like I just give it a little more throttle because I'm getting ready to start uphill now, and then it'll stay where I put it, which I think is really nice. And then to cut it off, you just hit the X, immediately turns it off. So I'll just get it back up to the speed I want and lock it in place again. And now, as I'm going down the road, I can adjust it as I need to. I can give it more throttle, I can let it off, and it will stay where I put it. But always remember that you have this X button to turn it off if you get into some kind of situation and you need your throttle cut immediately. The X will cut it immediately. It's a really awesome design. It wasn't that bad to install. It took a little finagling, like I mentioned in the last video, but all in all, it wasn't bad at all. But just to go over it one more time, you get the throttle where you want, hit the lower button, and it'll hold. And then you can adjust it as you need to. I can roll it off, I can roll on more throttle. It just works really, really well just to have your chance to rest your hand. Like my hand, it'll go numb and tingle and stuff, and it's done it ever since I've rode, and I've adjusted my grip. I have tried not to grip as hard. I've done everything I know to do, and it still goes numb and still tingles. So I guess it's just how it is. But with this, I'm able to set it and take my hand off for a long enough period of time to, rest it and shake it out. And they do make two different versions of this Atlas throttle lock. Now this is the top mount, where the buttons and all is up on top of the throttle. And then they make another version of it where the buttons would be down here under the throttle. But since I have heated grips, I have the wire up underneath here, so that was not going to work for me, so I went with the top mount. It has worked great for me since the very first time I used it. I don't know, it's a simple design, but it works. And I've tried several other throttle locks, like the bar end ones. I've also tried the ones that lock against your front brake lever, and those didn't work out too well either. So yeah, the Atlas throttle lock is definitely the way to go if you're looking for a throttle lock. I will definitely include a link down in the description for Atlas's website. You can go on there, check them out, maybe pick up one for your bike. Hey, let me know in the comments if you use the throttle lock, and if you do, what kind. I mean, I really love the Atlas. I will always use it for as long as I have a bike that does not have cruise control. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, and I will see you in the next one.